We're here in East Kent looking at some of the first oilseed rape crops to be cut this year. I'm with James Loader-Simmons at Nonington Farms, right over in East Kent, and we can see the combine behind us going through some rape now. And the rape was started a few days ago. And James, how's the harvest going so far?
We're quite surprised actually, bearing in mind how dry it's been.
Yes.
We're started harvest a day earlier than what we normally also record.
Right.
We started on winter barley.
Yes.
We've been on that for 2 days, and
Okay.
we started our rape on Thursday.
Okay, and how are yields looking?
On the rape, on the very light soils,
Yes.
they've been below average.
Right.
But bearing in mind how dry it's been, we've actually been pleasantly surprised.
Okay.
But now that we've got into the better land, the yields are above average.
Yes. And what's that? Moving towards what? 3.75, something like that.
3.75.
Yeah, and that's fairly good for your land. Your land stretches from sort of brick earth clays to downland chalks.
Yes.
Okay.
We're pleased with that.
Yes.
Again, you've got to take the year in context and how dry it's been, and how difficult last autumn was trying to get the crop established.
Okay. And you're growing about 300 hectares here in East Kent. Do you think you'll be growing the same next year?
Yes, we will.
Yeah. So you're fairly confident on the rape, it's doing fairly well?
It is, if we can keep the yields in excess of 3.5 tonnes, and if the price stays above £300 a tonne, we feel that's sort of an good rate.
Okay, okay.